Euro-federalists are excited. May's European elections will be the first to elect a European government. The European Commission will finally become a federal cabinet, resting on the support of the European Parliament. It's an old 1950s-style vision, and it has attracted some old 1950s-style federalist candidates. The Socialists have nominated Martin Schulz, President of the European Parliament. The Christian Democrats look likely to plump for Jean-Claude Juncker, who led Luxembourg's government for 19 years. The Liberals are sticking to Guy Verhofstadt, leader of their MEPs. It's hard to see any real differences between the three men. All support political integration, tax harmonisation, military union, a European legal system. All want more power for the Brussels elites. All, indeed, come from the heartland of the original EU. All three men have declared the nation-state to be finished. All, in short, stand for more of the same. Even the Financial Times, the Eurocrats' house journal, calls them yesterday's men. But what do Europe's voters think?
Do you know who this man is?
No.
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 No, I don't think so.
He's the socialist candidate for the European elections. A little bit, maybe?
See, a little bit. I'm not sure, but...
Martin Schulz. Does that mean anything to you?
No.
He's the president of the European Parliament.
Ah, yeah? Es el presidente del Parlamento Europeo.
No, I don't know him.
Martin Schulz is the best known of the three main candidates, but most people frankly admit that they've never heard of him.
Do you recognise this man?
No, it's French.
Luxembourgeois. Jean-Claude Juncker.
No.
Doesn't say me, no.
Jean-Claude Juncker may have run the Grand Duchy for 19 years and chaired the Eurozone group, but 2/3 of Europeans have no idea who he is.
Do you recognise this man?
I think I saw him on the news somewhere, but...
Do you know his name?
Sorry.
I saw him, he's Finnish.
No, he's Belgian.
Belgium.
Yeah. His name is Guy Verhofstadt.
I don't know the name.
Big gays.
I've had that before today.
It's similar, yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
It's not Bill Gates?
I've already seen him, yeah.
No. No.
No idea.
Guy Verhofstadt was Belgium's Prime Minister, but only 2% of Europeans say that they know a lot about him. It won't do to say that people will take more interest as the EU takes more power. It's been taking more power for 35 years, and turnout keeps falling. According to our poll, most people think that Brussels has already acquired too many powers from the nation-states. A large majority across the member states say that the EU is going in the wrong direction, but the three main candidates all offer more of the same.
Democracy is not just the right to mark a cross on a ballot paper every 4 or 5 years. Democracy also depends on a relationship between government and governed. People have to feel that they have enough in common, one with another, to accept decisions from each other's hands. Now that sense exists within a nation. But how many people really feel European in the same sense that we might feel Swedish or Hungarian or Portuguese? To put it another way, democracy requires a demos, a unit with which we identify when we use the word we. And as we've just seen, there is precious little in the way of a European demos. If you take the demos out of democracy, you're left only with the kratos, with the power of a system that has to compel by law what it dare not ask in the name of civic engagement. The Alliance of European Conservatives and Reformists has a different vision. We believe in a Europe of free peoples, free nations, and free markets. We recognize the special legitimacy of national democratic institutions and mechanisms. We believe that decisions should be taken as closely as possible to the people that they affect. So we will not be putting forward a candidate for the presidency of the European Commission. We believe that this process is setting up a government where there is no nation. We stand ready and willing to participate in the debates, and we will put forward that point of view on behalf of hundreds of millions of people around Europe who recognize the special legitimacy and authority of their national institutions and who have never agreed to be citizens of a federal Europe.